Page 25, comprehension. Complete these sentences with the correct option. The sentences are from the chapter and the options are given to us. Alice was getting tired of having nothing to do. Do is the correct answer. Alice had never before seen a rabbit with a waistcoat pocket and a watch or pink eyes. The correct option is a waistcoat pocket and a watch. Alice jumped down the rabbit hole without stopping to take off her shoes or think how she would get out again. वो क्या सोच के कूद गई थी रैबिट होल में? उसने ये सोचा ही नहीं कि think how she would get out again. As she fell, Alice thought about her sister or bats and cats. She thought about the bats and the cats. After Alice finally landed at the bottom of the well, गिरने के बाद उसने क्या करा? She leapt to her feet and started chasing the rabbit again. वापस रैबिट का पीछा करने लगी. Could not get up and was afraid. या वो गिरी पड़ी रही, उठ ही नहीं पाई. No, the correct option is the A part. Answer these questions. Why did Alice not like the book that her sister was reading? क्यों नहीं पसंद आई उसे वो book? Alice did not like the book that her sister was reading because it had no pictures and conversation in it. Why did Alice decide to chase the rabbit? Alice decided to chase the rabbit because she had never before seen a rabbit wearing a waistcoat and carrying a watch in the pocket. ऐसा कभी देखा ही नहीं था उसने. Give a brief description of the things that Alice saw as she fell down the well. क्या क्या देखा उसने? As Alice fell down the well, she saw cupboards, bookshelves, maps, pictures hanging on the well, on the pegs, and a jar labeled orange marmalade. Question number 4. What kind of person was Alice? Circle any two words from the list. कैसी लड़की थी वो? Brave, bookish, imaginative, curious, confident, lazy, bored, loving. I think children, brave and imaginative. Confident can also be correct. Okay, now play with words. Some common phrases like day and night, lock and key are formed by using and. Match these words with and to form word pairs. Word pairs बनाएंगे. Bread and butter, salt and pepper, needle and thread, cup and saucer, hammer and nail. Hammer होता है हथौड़ा, nail होता है कील. Complete these sentences in your own words. To have conversation means to talk with someone. To mutter to oneself means to talk to yourself. To walk for miles means to walk for a long distance. To walk hand in hand means to walk holding hands. To run like wind means to run very fast. Punctuation. Add capital letters and full stop. Rewrite these sentences correctly in your notebook. Children, there are mistakes. No full stop is there, no capital letter is there. We have to arrange and rewrite the sentence. Alice was sitting on a river bank. A capital, full stop in the last. Second, what is a book without pictures or conversation? Thought Alice. W capital, first letter, and Alice A capital and full stop at the last. Alice jumped to her feet when she saw the rabbit. A capital and full stop in the. Alice ran after the rabbit and she jumped into the rabbit hole. A capital and full stop in the last. She dozed off when she was falling down the well. S capital and full stop in the last. Grammar fun. Children, now here we will discuss the genders. Males के लिए masculine gender. Females के लिए feminine gender. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए न्यूट्रल जेंडर एंड जो कॉमन थिंग्स होती हैं जो कि मेल और फीमेल दोनों हो सकती हैं उनके लिए कॉमन जेंडर. राइट. M फॉर मैस्कुलाइन, F फॉर फेमिनाइन, N फॉर न्यूटर एंड C फॉर कॉमन जेंडर. एलिस गर्ल है तो फीमेल हो गई, फेमिनाइन जेंडर F. विलेज न्यूट्रल जेंडर N. मदर फेमिनाइन जेंडर F. Child, common gender C. It can be a girl or a boy. Letter, neuter gender N. aunt, female, feminine gender, father, masculine gender, M, pupil, common gender. Pupil means student, that can be a boy or a girl. House, neuter gender. Sparrow, common gender, sparrow can be male or female. Soap, neuter gender. Artist, common gender. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Alice dash was busy reading her book. Sister. The dash dropped his tray on the way to our table. Waiter. His है तो waiter होगा ना, male. Sarah's dash is the headmistress of this school. Headmistress means female, so grandmother. There are many dash playing in the park today. Children is the correct option. बच्चों अगर बुक एक्सरसाइजेस समझ में आए होंगे तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करेंगे. ओके, बाय बाय.